Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very short. I got mail, and it's from one of my content creator friends, Crafty Leo. I know what's inside, but let me tell you, I've been so busy, I kind of forgot I had ordered this, right? So when my husband went and checked the mail and I had a pink package, I was like, what is this? Until I seen her name on the packaging label. So I was like, yes, it's my shirt. So I want to do the reveal with you all. I know what I ordered, but I haven't saw it yet. So let's see. The package is so cute. It says thank you. So the other side got my address. So for privacy reasons, we just want to make sure that we eliminate that. Boy, these scissors is dope. All right. There we go. Yes. I get so excited when I get... Wait. Oh my God, I got two. All right. Now, this was a pleasant surprise. Okay, wait. Okay, I don't know which one to show y'all first because this is the one I ordered and paid for, but this is a bonus surprise. So, we like surprises. So, okay. Look at this. It's a Bedazzle shirt. It says Prescription Nails. Oh my God, Crafty Leo. Thank you so much. I'm excited for my little extra bonus surprise. So wait a minute. Y'all, look. It's blinged out. Y'all see this? Look how beautiful this is. Yes. Crafty Leo, this is beautiful. Thank you. Mardi Gras was last week, but it's giving me Mardi Gras vibes. Oh, wait. This is a bonus. And we all love surprises, right? She gave me an extra gift. It's a shirt. It says Prescription Nails as well. Thank you, Crafty Leo. And I like glitter. I like bling. Look at that shimmer. Yes. All right, guys. I wanted to show off my shirts. I didn't know I was getting double shirts, okay? Okay, y'all, I had to insert this part in because when I was cleaning up my mess, I seen this card on the floor. So this part I overlooked. It says, thank you for supporting my small business, Spiced Up Creations LLC. Thank you, Crafty Leo. Yes, baby, I absolutely love it. These are my shirts. Shout out to Crafty Leo. This is just a short video of unboxing my order. And I got surprised with a bonus shirt. And this is from Crafty Leo. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I post nail pics daily on my shorts. I post how-tos and all that other fun stuff all about nails. And then sometimes I vlog and show y'all what I got going on in my personal life. I have a busy social life, so if you're interested in seeing what Prescription Nails is up to, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want a shirt, if you need a shirt or anything, get with Crafty Leo. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.